Hello guys. So this is our application Jansathi. So this is deployed application. As you can see, this is a deployed application. So first of all, I'd like to show you something which will help you showcase the multilinguality of our application. So as I change the language, it is supported for all possible languages. As you can see, if I choose Marathi, then Namaskar Rishabh. So it is obviously working on all possible language. For now, simplicity, we'll use English. Also text to speech, automatic speak by default, yes. And there are three types of AI. Cloud AI, which is using online mode, local AI, offline mode. For unsophisticated users, we are providing this option, local AI, whenever you don't have any internet, so offline AI. And if I am not having Olama, then I am giving the options as well, so that if you can pull its image, and after pulling its image, we are gonna run it. So that's why then it will show connected. For now, I am using my internet connection, so that there is no issue about that. So this is the, and this is the dark and light mode support. Along with that, we are gonna check about the home page. So we can type any issue and you can just use any type of language. So hello, this is me, Rishabh. So as you can see, live transcript was generated, and this is how the speech to text is working here. All right, and along with that, I can also show you मेरी फसल आज बह गई है. So as you can see, the it is coming as it is, and we can also use find key match button. And I've used my own API key for now. We can also use paid APIs in scaling purpose, or you can also integrate our own LSTM network, due to which we can reduce the API cost a lot significantly. So this is gonna search. It will take some amount of time, and till then I will gonna show you something different. So these are all the saved schemes which so the result about the previous thing came, and what is that? So user is a farmer is damage or submerged due to heavy rain. So this is what we wanted to see, right? So due to my context, it is assuming that I am a farmer. I will just show you my chat history with it, and as you can see, the AI has understood that my crops have been damaged. So that is what I have also said. And due to heavy flooding, so it is assuming something, and then it is giving me all the possible schemes along with the accuracy score with what confidence it is trying to say. So there are all the possible confidence score, and this is not random. This confidence score has been assumed by multiple parameters like your location. Like if you look at view details, it is calculating my eligibility score first. It is checking my income restriction, my age restriction, my gender restriction, and all the things which are eligible to that scheme. Right? This is the ticket one. This is Ask AI one, and it is just analyzing the scheme for you. It will give me some step-by-step analysis. So I will just show you that as well. For now, yes. So in simple words, for now it is English. We can also turn it on to Marathi and think, but now I'll show you in English. So as you can see, this is the simple words by web scraping to Beautiful Soup. It has gone through that application. It has understood the context. We are using NLP here, not LLM, because LLM can hallucinate here. But NLP, as you are using NLP, we are gonna pass this text to it, and it will generate the summarization of that. We are using summarization NLP here. So that is what it is. And then what you get. So it is going you accurate information from that website due to NLP. Am I eligible? So any farmer. So eligibility criteria. Then the documents needed. So Aadhaar card, bank book, passbook, and all that stuff. So how to apply? You can also get step-by-step procedure. This is using AI to just simplify the work. And as you can see, this is using AI tool, so that we are passing on this text which is generated from NLP, and we are going through it so that the unsophisticated user will find it easier to understand. Common mistake and FAQs from the website. This is the real number which is being web scraped from the website, and this is the scheme which you can apply. This is the real data, as you can see, and the nearest government office. So it will take your location, and it will check for the nearest government office that are present, which can solve your issue. So Tahsildar office, or maybe agent which is responsible for this work. And as you can see, the nearest locations have been verified. So for my work, there is only one office which is near Churchgate. So this is what it is, and you can also use try again, so that if you want some more distance, so that you can go anywhere else, so you can get it. So yes, that is it for this. And ticket feature, Once you get a ticket, this is a ticket, and you can share it on WhatsApp. You can copy the message and share it somewhere, so that this ticket will act like a resource for you to help somebody else who is unaware of this application. From maybe if I am a son of an elder mother, I could just use this application for her and just provide all the schemes. So this is the first feature which we were trying to see here. So now, due to less context, it is not giving me any recommendation, but as we go on giving context to it later on, here we'll get all the recommendation of the policies which we can be eligible for. It is using Finecoin. But since the XGBoost is not getting that accuracy score, so that with this kind of information, it is not able to predict that. So this is the emergency help, and this is what the emergency help looks like. And let me just check it out. The application, yeah. So this is the
Hello.
chat application. So the
Namaste.
chat application,
Yes,
I will just
I
enable the
can
voice.
certainly suggest
So
schemes for you.
that
As you are a widow and 23 years old, living in Maharashtra,
this is
the
working
most
as
helpful scheme we
the
discussed before is
text to
the
speech.
Sanjay Gandhi Niradhar Anudan
Not
Yojana.
connected.
This scheme gives monthly money,
You can
pension,
pause it.
to
You
help
can resume
widows
it.
like you with your
Stop. So this is all the feature. And also, I was missing this part. We were talking about ISL, but is it working or not? And the camera is not working for some reasons. Yeah, because of the fact that